Restoring missing toolbars and panels. Good day, everyone. In this session, we'll look at how to restore missing interface elements, such as the tools bar, information bar, and navigation bar. Sometimes these toolbars may disappear from view. For example, the tools bar on the left, the information bar at the top, or the navigation bar on the right. This is a common issue that can occur during use, but it's easy to fix.
Thank you, Lord, for life, thank you for grace. Even when the money can't show in face, we don't have enough things, but we still a praise.
To restore them, follow these steps. Go to the window menu. Select palette from the drop-down list. Choose toolbar to restore the tool section. To bring back other elements, such as the information bar and navigation bar, simply click on their respective options from the same menu. You can also customize your workspace further. Add or remove tools based on your preference.
Thank you for life, thank you for grace. Oh Lord, even when we're low, we're rich in all your ways. Thank you for life. Sing along, thank you.
To do this, right-click on the toolbar, select the tools you need, and then click Add to include them. That's it. Your workspace should now be restored to its default or preferred layout. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for my next tutorial.